Key horses for Gulfstream Park on Saturday, February 7. Register your free user at EquinEdge.com. You have there the QR code, 3 free races per day, access to not only 3 free races per day, but also to previous results, previous dates, results against the information, the metrics that were available at EquinEdge.com. You will verify 55% winning rate that you can verify by yourself with the free user for the top 2 Scotty picks. Artificial intelligence handicapper that is giving you advice, 2 horses that you need to check every race. Then you have a long shot suggested price play, other metrics, other angles, the win percentage and probability based on stats. You can see how equalized, polarizes a race. That plus the suggestions of the Scotty picks, the speed, the initial speed of each horse, the pace, the competitive level of each horse, and the GSR at the right now is more effective than other days. And you can check that in the post that we are presenting on the social media, and you will find that GSR is winning in a higher rate than the previous algorithm. Now is in purple at the right of every horse in every race. So register your free user, I repeat. You can pay with PayPal from any part of the world. This is the early pick 5. You have 2 options. Do an early pick 5, do a middle pick 5 that starts with race number 3. I believe the early pick 5 could pay more. It's more complicated, especially in the first race. First starters, the GSR out of the number 6. If the number 6 is not delivering in the first race with Mario Gutierrez for Philip Bauer, a good payout you can expect, not only for the first race, but for the early pick 5. So I'm spreading this race using the top 3 picks in the second race, 2, 5, 7. In race 3, 2, 5, 8, and 10, a tough race. I believe like Gina will control the race, will control the pace, and will control the race as a consequence. I believe she's going to wear the field. Junior Alvarado is back for Patrick Biancon, and the number 1 and the number 2 are the enemies, but they are slower than the 4. So the 4 is going to the lead, and it's going to be very tough to chase her down. In race 5, 2, 5, and 6. So let's go to the pick 6. For the pick 6, no singles. This is the ticket I'm suggesting. 7, 8, and 9 in the first leg. The veteran XY speed, the 8. But the number 7 with a good opportunity. And the number 9 is a closer, but is 3, 4, 4 at the distance. He is a danger here in race 8, 2, 1, and 6. With the 3 out of the race, the Puma, who is running the San Davis at Tampa, Easterly has a good chance, a good pedigree, but I'm using the top 3 GSRs of the race, the pedigree. The 6, the 2, and the number 1 in the ticket is what makes sense for me. I'm looking for a good payout with the number 2. In race number 9, 4, 6, and 12. This race is tough. It's a tough race. If you want to use a single, you can spread in this race that is the most complicated race in the sequence, and using 4, 6, and 12. The number 13 is a good option that you could consider. Will close strongly, and the number 1 is another horse that you can consider. So if you want to spread, maybe you can try this and do a $108 ticket. This is an example. I have 3 horses in the last leg. The first pick is the other horse. You can do that or do this for $97. In race 10, 1 to 7, Moon Spawn is going to be the heavy favorite. It has a speed, but the number 6 will press the 3, the 2, and this number 1 Flamingo Way is my top pick. And last time out, she was closing and got blocked with no problems in her final kick. He could upset the race. Use Flamingo Way, the number 1 in race 10. In race 11, the number 1 will try to wear the field. The enemy is the number 1. And if you have budget, maybe you can use the 5. He's slower than the other 2, but has a good closing kick. And they'll run with 2 horses. I believe the number 1 is a better horse than the number 5. But if you have, I repeat, budget, maybe it's convenient to add the number 5 to your ticket. In the last one, if you do that, another option is this. Leaving out the first pick in the last leg of the ticket and uses Seike Wonder in race 11. If you don't do that, obviously, you are keeping the 5 out here and adding the number 9 in the last race. I like Wine on Sunday a lot. She's extremely good, I think. She's extremely good. Probably she's winning again is most the likely result of the race, but the 3 cost more than $1 million, and she was forced to have her debut on synthetic. It's working well. She is very good. How good she is? Good enough to defeat the 2 that is coming from a strong victory 1 month ago? I don't know. And the number 9 has a strong debut and running a distance where the pedigree is saying, yes, she's going to do well. So 2, 3, and 9 for that reason, but I like a lot Wine on Sunday despite this Saturday. Good luck at Gulfstream today.